Is Spanish harder for Filipinos to learn than Chinese, French, German, for instance? Here's my take on that. As someone who has been creating random content here online, I'd like to say that Spanish, I guess, is one of those languages Filipinos would acquire naturally because it's quite similar. As you guys know, we have mesa, cama, bombilla, we have all those words. However, I'd like to believe that there are certain things that's quite difficult when it comes to grammar. Like Spanish grammar is a bit different and it has a lot of tenses and a lot of things as well to really remember and learn. And so I guess it's complex, but then it's something that we could learn because pronunciation wise it's quite similar to how we pronounce our words in Filipino, Tagalog, and other languages in the Philippines, as we have almost 200 I think right now. But yeah, I think Spanish is one of those languages that's easier to learn for Filipinos. However, it also really depends on your interest. If you're someone who's really into K-drama, K-pop, or J-pop, Japanese, Nihongo, Asian languages, then it would also be a factor for you to acquire the language, because if you're learning a language that you're not really interested in, then I see no point. Obviously, the interest isn't there, so probably it's harder for you to acquire the language. Whereas if you are really interested about a particular culture, or probably you married someone or you have a girlfriend or boyfriend who speaks that language, then you have more motivation to learn the language. Other than that, it would be really hard, I think, for you to learn the language. But given the fact that these days there are more and more Filipinos who are learning Spanish because of call center industries in the Philippines, I think that the boost in, or the demand when it comes to like Spanish speaking agents are really high. And so also it's becoming really competitive. And I think that there's nothing wrong with that, I guess. And there's a lot of like platforms these days online where people could learn the language. And so I hope I answered your questions.